This hidden history of American taxes is often ignored. America's income tax system wasn't always legally permissible. Our federal income tax began as a desperate war measure. Abraham Lincoln needed funds for the Civil War. The Revenue Act of 1861 introduced this new concept. Its journey from temporary to permanent is fascinating. America desperately needed urgent funds for war financing. Congress enacted the Revenue Act of 1861 swiftly. It imposed a 3% tax on incomes over $800. This was America's very first income tax. President Abraham Lincoln signed it into law quickly. It funded the Union war effort effectively. After the war, the tax was largely repealed. Many considered it an emergency power for wartime only. Later economic depressions sparked new interest in income taxes. Economic downturns fueled populist calls for wealth redistribution. The 1894 Wilson-Gorman Tariff Act revived it. It imposed a 2% tax on incomes exceeding $4,000. This new tax instantly sparked immediate legal challenges. The landmark case was Pollock v. Farmers Loan. The Supreme Court ruled this income tax unconstitutional. It was deemed a direct tax, not apportioned. The Constitution requires direct taxes to be apportioned. This surprising decision greatly shocked many progressive reformers. It meant the federal government couldn't tax income directly. A constitutional amendment became the only viable path forward. Progressive leaders pushed hard for a permanent solution. President William Howard Taft proposed a constitutional amendment. It would explicitly allow a federal income tax system. States began ratifying this critical amendment in 1909. Delaware was the 36th state to ratify. That pivotal date was February 3, 1913. The 16th Amendment officially became part of the Constitution. It states Congress can tax incomes, however derived. No apportionment among states is required now. The 16th Amendment fundamentally changed America's financial landscape. It ultimately created the modern federal income tax system. Today, the IRS collects trillions in revenue annually. This vital revenue funds countless essential government services. Highways, defense, and social programs depend on it. From Civil War necessity to a constitutional amendment, America's income tax system has a complex history. It significantly shapes our nation's economic landscape today. Understanding its roots empowers your financial decisions. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.